In this video, you'll learn how to sign out of the eBay app on your mobile device. This process will ensure that your account remains secure, especially when using shared devices. Begin by opening the eBay app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, look for the My eBay or profile icon located at the bottom menu of the screen. Tapping this icon will direct you to your account dashboard page, where you can manage various account settings. Once you are on the account dashboard, scroll down through the available account options carefully. You will need to locate the settings menu option, which is typically listed among other preferences related to your account management. After identifying the settings option, tap on it to open your account preferences. Within the settings menu, scroll until you find the sign out option. Before proceeding, it is advisable to review any active sessions to ensure you are aware of where you are logged in. If you are ready to log out, confirm that you want to sign out from this device. Tap the sign out button to proceed. This action will initiate the sign out process, and you may need to wait a moment for the app to respond. After a brief moment, the app will return to the login screen, confirming that you have fully logged out of your account. For added security, it is recommended to close the app completely, especially if you're on a shared device. You should only log back in when necessary to protect your account credentials effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.